Hi, this is a presentation of the hydraulic regenerative braking system, or HyKER, currently being developed at Texas A&M Corpus Christi as a mechanical engineering senior design project. The problem which we are seeking to solve is the development of a process that captures and reuses the large amount of normally wasted kinetic energy lost when slowing a vehicle to a stop. Our solution to this problem is to implement a hybrid technology that captures and stores the lost energy for future use, improving overall fuel efficiency and minimizing the ecological impact of combustion engines.
A hybrid vehicle is any vehicle that couples a traditional combustion engine with a more fuel-efficient, eco-friendly power source. The hybrid market is relatively new and is dominated by electronic motors. The global market is expected to raise 16.5% by the year 2024, and in the United States it's supposed to grow from $1.2 billion to nearly $400 billion. Light passenger vehicles have a life expectancy on the road of nearly 20 years. Also, light-duty vehicles are supposed to increase ownership by nearly $2 billion in the year 2050. Our system is going to reduce the wear and tear on these systems for that lifespan. A small modular hydraulic system would allow us to have a corner in the market.
The HyKER system employs regenerative braking through the integration of a modular hydraulic system. This hydraulic system then allows the stored energy to be transferred back to the vehicle to help accelerate it from rest. This form of regenerative braking is more efficient than other methods such as mechanical and electrical regenerative braking. The design of the HyKER system integrated an adjustable gear power transfer system to match the vehicle with the appropriate amount of torque needed for takeoff, making it suitable for a wide range of platforms. In order to generate an income, the HyKER system will be produced and sold. The target customer for this system is drivers of less fuel-efficient vehicles, fleets of large vehicles, and auto manufacturers. The HyKER system will be marketed to the target customer with an emphasis on its modularity and ability to be integrated into existing vehicles.
We've decided to break our market into three categories. We've decided to use personal vehicle, light-duty commercial, and heavy-duty commercial. Personal vehicles would be any truck, half-ton or three-quarter-ton truck that anybody drives. For these three categories, we've decided to opt and use three different marketing campaigns. Our first marketing campaign is search engine modification. What this will do is help us target those interested in a system like ours. The second marketing campaign would be pay-per-click advertising. This will allow us to use ads in the background on those computers that have been searching for systems like ours. And the third marketing campaign, which we will utilize mainly for light duty and heavy duty commercial, is in-person sales, where we would actually go to the companies and talk to them about the system and how it might benefit them in order to sell to fleet customers.
Production of the HyKER system can be made efficient as it utilizes off-the-shelf, standard-sized, and readily available components.
In order to address the manufacturing concerns of the HyKER system, the system is going to be made entirely off of off-the-shelf components that can be held in inventory in a warehouse. This warehouse is going to need to be large enough to hold all of the components ready to be assembled, have an assembly area, as well as in-house engineering and testing facilities.
HyKER will have 5 executive positions, starting with the sales executive who will be in charge of ordering materials. The system executive will be in charge of quality assurance and system inspections on new system installations. The technical executive will be installing the new hybrid systems. The design manager will be designing all of the new systems that will be installed. The operations manager will handle all the logistics and equipment maintenance of the shop. All these positions will be paid on a commission basis until the company can reach enough profits. At that point, we'll be hiring skilled technicians to take over in some of these spots.
The HyKER system benefits society as a whole by decreasing the carbon footprint of fitted automobiles. Currently, there are no competitors in the HyKER's market. However, there are other regenerative braking systems currently available.
With a unit cost of $5,000 and a projected sales of 1,000 units in the first year, we're looking at a sales revenue of $5 million, with an expenses of $1.5 million, including facilities, equipment, and salary for the first year. This will leave us a net income of $3.5 million.
In conclusion, the HyKER system seeks to reduce the overall environmental impact of the combustion vehicle through regenerative braking while maintaining profitability for its stakeholders.